Since I just made a big batch of chicken stock, I'm going to use it to make a rich, hearty Belgian chicken soup. The perfect comfort food for this winter weather. Since my stock and chicken are already good to go, I dive straight into the vegetables. For the soup, I'm using carrots, leeks, celery, frozen peas and a classic Bouquet Garni of thyme, parsley stalks and bay leaves. I start with the carrots. I peel them, trim the ends, and halve them lengthwise before slicing them into half rounds. Remember, this is a hearty, rustic soup. It doesn't need to win any beauty pageants. I'm going for flavor, not a perfect presentation. The leeks. I remove the darker outer leaves since they can be a bit more fibrous. I cut the leeks lengthwise from the root to the tip and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water to wash away any trapped dirt or sand. Then I simply chop it into small chunks. Finally, the celery, which I also dice into small pieces. In a large cooking pot, I melt a knob of butter and briefly sauté the carrots, leeks and celery, making sure they do not get any color. In goes my homemade chicken stock. I add the Bouquet Garni and season it with salt and pepper. I let the soup simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I add the frozen peas, the chicken, and some vermicelli. Vermicelli are thin, delicate pasta noodles, also known as angel hair, and adds a lovely texture without being too heavy. I let everything cook together for another 5 minutes. Before serving, I removed the Bouquet Garni. For a moment, I was worried the string had come loose, but luckily it was only a single bay leaf that had managed to escape. A taste for seasoning and it needs a bit more salt. The soup is now ready to be served immediately. Every ladle is packed with chicken and vegetables, so I like to add an extra scoop of that delicious broth to the bowl. And there you have it, the ultimate bowl of soup for a cold winter afternoon. Enjoy!